Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. I ended up ordering my very first Erin Condren and I'm super excited, so let's go unbox it. This order was not planned and it was kind of last minute. During Cyber Monday, I went into their website just to take a look around and they were having so many great deals that I could not help myself. So here we go. This is a little welcome note. Thank you for your first order. And these are just some gift labels. So that's a very nice touch, a nice little freebie. These are great. And then the next thing that I purchased was this pen holder. These are always great just to pop in your planner and always have a pen with you. So of course I had to get this one. And then I did get some of their fine tip wet erase marker set. And this is going to be great just to use on one of the items that I did purchase. So I'll go ahead and let you know in a little bit. And then I also purchased some of their magnetic page markers. And these are all the same. And I think this is going to be great just to mark off where I'm at in the planner. So I did get 4 of these. And then I also got some adhesive corner pockets. These are going to be great for my Petite Planner. I want to put these on the inside. That way I have somewhere to store maybe some on-the-go stickers that I would like. And then I did get 4 of the Petite Planners. And this one is the Daily Planner. So let's just open this up really quick. And it says, start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. And it runs from January through March. And because I'm new to the Erin Condren world, I believe there were 3 designs. And I kind of just chose the one that I like the best. And I added that to my cart. And then once I was finalizing and looking through my order, I noticed that these don't run the whole entire year. So it is just January through March, so the beginning of the year. Then they have one for the middle and then the end as well. So there's 3 of them. And once this is done in March, you would need to purchase the one for the middle of the year. So I thought that was interesting. But I think it's because these actually have a page for each day. I was pretty surprised by that. I really didn't know what to expect. This is completely new to me. And so I seriously didn't even look at the layout just because I wasn't even planning on ordering a Petite Planner. It kind of just happened. I was there already. I had put some items in my cart and I decided last minute to add a Petite Planner. So I really didn't know what I was getting myself into. But then I noticed that these were spaced out for each day. So I am actually loving this. That way you're able to write down exactly what is going on the whole day. They're not trying to cram a few days in a page just so we could get a weekly view on 2 pages. So I thought that was interesting and different. And I think I'm kind of loving this. So it does have February as well. February is a pink color. And then let's check out March. So here is March, and then March is a green color. And now that I see it, I'm looking at this up top. I'm not sure why this is blank or why it's here. This looks like a to-do list, so maybe you can add your own header up here. Maybe that's what it's for. If anyone knows, please let me know. I am not sure exactly what that is for, so I'll take any help I can get with any of the Erin Condren items. And then let's go to the very back. Does it just run all the way through? Okay, and then just a page for notes. And then towards the back, there is a sheet of stickers, and this one has some purple foiling. So these are great starter stickers with a pocket. So I think that's great. And then let's go ahead and check out this one. This one is a monthly planner. So let's take a look. And this one would just have the year at a glance, And then since this is a monthly, it basically just has all of the months up here. So just in case you want to just carry this around and just look at the monthly view overall. So this is great. And we do have some lined paper. Is that all it has? Oh, okay. So it does have some dot grid as well. So that's quite a few amount for each of them. And then back here we have 2021. And then this one has another sticker sheet. And this one has the gold foiling. So that's great. It'll kind of get you started. So that's the other planner. And then this one is the checklist. So let's look in here. I actually did not even see the inside of this planner. So it just said checklist and I thought that was great. So this is a little bit different. It kind of reminds me of a teacher planner, the way it's set up. It's not what you would think your normal checklist would be. So I think this is great for maybe habit tracking. That's kind of how I'm looking at it. So I'm interested to see how I'll be using this one, but I love the way it's set up too. So that's kind of how the whole thing is for this one. And then the last Petite Planner is this dot grid. So it does include 80 pages. So let's just take a look. Okay, so it is all completely dot grid as well. So this is going to be great just to use it as a notebook maybe, just to jot down some things. So I do love this. This is exactly what I was expecting, and I am loving this cover. It is so neutral and I'm just loving it. So let's go ahead and look at the Petite Planner that I ended up getting. And of course, I ended up getting the pink one. I think this is a gorgeous color. It is beautiful, and I didn't get it personalized. I just wanted a clean look. So this is what it looks like. I have a traveler's notebook on my mini happy planner right now, and it does have these, but since it does have a pocket over here, I just slide in my happy planner in there. But this one doesn't have any pockets here. So that is where the adhesive pockets that I purchased come in. So these right here, and these ones I'm just gonna stick on both sides just so I could add any sticker sheets that I would like to have maybe on the go. So I do love that, and I am loving this color. I can't wait to set this up, so be on the lookout for that video as well. And I'm just loving the little bag that it came in. How adorable is this? So let me just put her in really quick. And then I did also get this checklist dashboard, which actually reminds me of the checklist that's on that Petite Planner. And this is where I'm going to be using my wet erase marker set. So I thought that these would be great together. And I am actually going to be using this in my new academic planner. This planner is going to be my new social media planner. So I'm going to pop this in right at the beginning. That way I'm able to check off the videos that I have done. So I'm thinking this is going to be a great system for that. So that is why I purchased this one as well. And so this academic planner is going to be my new social media planner. That is why I ended up getting this cover, which says film, edit, and upload. And I also wanted to credit Michelle Miller for kind of inspiring me to go into Erin Condren. She does amazing plan with me's in this planner specifically, and I've just been eyeing her videos and obsessing over them. So do make sure you're checking her out. She is Michelle Miller here on YouTube and that Miss Miller over on Instagram. She is amazing. Her videos are great. So she inspired me to jump into Erin Condren and start using this as my social media planner. So what I loved about this is the way that it's broken down. I love that it has a to-do section as well. It'll be great for checking off things for the day. And my Happy Planner Teacher Planner wasn't working for me anymore. I wish that I could stick to it, but I don't know, it just started not working out. And once I set up my planner and transfer things over, I'll go into a little bit more of why it's not working for me. But I am so excited to be using this layout specifically. And I did end up going with the silver coils. I think it is so neutral and it'll go with any color scheme that I would like to use. And then just the back cover over here. So I'm super excited to be using this. I am loving this cover. Like I said, I am obsessed with it. And I did end up adding my YouTube channel and my IG handle as well, stephanyhappilyplans. And I had mentioned in my mini vertical layout that I was waiting for a package, and this is what it was. So I'm so excited for 2020. I can't wait to start setting everything up now that I think I have everything I need for my 2020 planner lineup. I am so excited to start getting everything set up. So be on the lookout for future videos. But the Happy Planner is not going anywhere. I will still be using a Happy Planner. I just thought I would branch out since my current social media situation wasn't working out for me anymore. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.